Hi everybody, today we are going to show you how to solve quickly a 3 by 3 Rubik Cube within 2 minutes with our little genius. He is our master little genius, MIM Hassan. He is studying in Zaira National College, Maunalla at grade 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, start. Look at his hands, how it's nicely moving. This Rubik Cube game is specially created for brain concentration. It is very useful for your concentration on brain. You can also try at home when you are free, lockdown period. Is moving very freely and openly. It's very fast. It's both hands. Wow, wonderful. That's finished. Yes, he made it in 2 minutes and 1 second. It's a little bit.